I want to tell you about this workshop because I think it's the most important workshop we're going to do this year.
The World Bank's Eastern and Southern Africa region and the Development Impact Department will host an impact evaluation workshop in Cape Town on May 20th.
The workshop will bring together projects from all over Africa to discuss ways of incorporating existing evidence.
What we're seeing globally is that we're behind on the development targets that as an international community we've all committed to.
I think the reality is that today is no longer the same as what we experienced 5 years ago. And the question is, how much are we responding to this global context, which is very different?
The workshop will draw on years of evidence-based research related to agriculture, education, energy, jobs, and water.
We will be tackling big issues and bringing global evidence to inform and nudge countries to adopt solutions that work.
All of us in Eastern and Southern Africa are really hungry to see better results, outcomes of our projects.
What I love about workshops like this is being able to stop and think and reflect on the past. What did we do well? What didn't we do well? What opportunities did we miss?
The workshop really is about how to get much more from the public investments that these countries are making. That's the reason why this workshop is the most important.